2022 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye. 2022 Dodge Charger Redeye is the result of an automotive company that presents a very fast mustard car for a sedan. In terms of horsepower and speed capability, the new Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye is one of the terrible drag racers, and other Fiat Chrysler offerings like the recently launched 2022 Dodge Durango Hellcat and the 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk are also as terrible in terms of speed fast. Switching to the choice of sedan with 4-door configuration and enough power to be powerful, the new 2022 Dodge Charger Redeye will soon be presented to the public. Like the look it carries, the 2022 Dodge Charger sedan has a muscular look and is the most powerful and mass-produced sedan on the planet. It is estimated, the Dodge Charger Redeye 2022 will be able to go up to speeds of 203 miles per hour. 2022 Dodge Charger Redeye. Bringing a tough engine, the 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi under the hood of the next-generation Charger to produce 797 horsepower and produce 707 lb-ft of torque, all of which will once again go to the rear wheels, RWD. Despite the obvious traction challenges, Dodge says this leap will do a quarter mile in just 10.6 seconds with an exit speed of 129 miles per hour. Testing this sedan rate on a meandering 2.1-mile circuit, it will be 1.2 seconds faster than the usual 2022 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat, Dodge Charger future models. To help with this traction problem, fender flares allow a width dimension of 3.5 inches wider, which further means wider wheels and tires can be mounted on the new Dodge Charger Redeye 2022. In Dodge Charger future models, there are some style changes too, with a new roof design that pushes air into the Hellcat SRT power chiller engine ventilation. The 2022 Dodge Charger Redeye uses a new 20-inch lightweight black carbon wheel wrapped in Pirelli rubber, which helps the Dodge Charger Redeye 2022 be able to go up to 60 miles per hour in a runtime of about 3.5 seconds. The supercharger engine that drives the new Dodge Charger is also the biggest in any production car in the 2.7-liter capacity. The new Dodge Charger 2022 is supported with a lot of thrust of 14.5 psi compared to 11.6, and a 300 rpm higher limit at 6,500 rpm aided by two two-stage fuel pumps. Despite the fact that the fuel tank can be dried in less than 11 minutes, the Dodge Charger Redeye is claimed to still be a car that will reach 22 mpg on the highway. On the price side, the official price of the 2022 Dodge Charger Redeye has not yet been announced. For the time being we can only see and follow some news from the 2022 Dodge Charger concept. 2022 Dodge Charger Redeye specs. Engine, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 gas. Transmission, 8-speed automatic. Drivetrain, rear-wheel drive, RWD. Fuel tank, 18.5 gallons. Fuel economy, city/highway, 12/21 mpg. Seats, 5-seater. Horsepower, 707 HP at 6,000 rpm. Torque, 650 lb-ft at 4,800 rpm. Price, $70,000, MSRP. Dodge Charger Redeye exterior. On the exterior side, the 2022 Dodge Charger Redeye Hellcat gives a bold and masculine look since it was first shown in 2015. For the new Dodge Charger 2022, Dodge has made it look more muscular than the previous generation Dodge Charger. On the front side, the new front and rear fascia has a new look that is equipped with integrated fender flares. Dodge Charger future models are equipped with ventilated hood with heat extractor and large grille with a wide air intake remains unchanged from the previous version. Dodge Charger Redeye 2022 has managed to keep things fresh and attractive by widening and strengthening the appearance of the outside. Features provided on the outside include exterior details such as HID projector headlamps with LED daytime running lights, dual rear exhaust, power features and side mirrors, and 20-inch alloy wheels. Interestingly, the 2022 Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye has unbeatable strength performance and is to be proud of. Its performance will be clearly visible and more real in the Daytona edition, which features a white or blue backline and a unique warp speed wheel with carbon satin coating. Dodge Charger Redeye Dimension. 2022 Dodge Charger Redeye is a car that has large dimensions in body and soul. With a total length of 201 inches and an overall body width of 78.4 inches in the hip, and this is 3.5 inches thicker than the non-wide-body 2021 Dodge Charger SRT model last year. Dodge Charger 2022 has a height of 57.6 inches and rolled on a 120-inch wheelbase. Its German competitor, the BMW M5, is a car that has a smaller size, measuring only 195.5 inches, and a total width of 74.9 inches. Not only does it have a large exterior dimension, the new Charger 2022 also has a heavy weight, reaching 4,585 pounds, which is about 200 pounds heavier than its German rival BMW M5. Dodge Charger Redeye Interior. After seeing the exterior new Dodge Charger Redeye 2022, surely you want to see the interior side of the next Dodge Charger. In terms of interior in the cabin, 2022 Dodge Charger Redeye has a luxurious interior that is equipped with comfort features that are complete and modern and accompanied by the presence of luxury amenities. Although all the important features are in the cabin of the next generation Charger, the interior design of the Charger 2022 starts to feel more like laminate than real hardwood. The center console design of the Redeye Charger is clad in cheap plastic, and even bits of real carbon fiber somehow look unconvincing. Behind it all, the Dodge Charger future model will provide a number of good standard features, making the Hellcat Charger cabin a comfortable place. These luxury features include standard power adjustable and heated and ventilated seats, heated rear seats, 4G LTE Wi-Fi connectivity, dual zone air conditioning, and LED interior lighting. Not only that, the optional interior features of the Dodge Charger 2022 include a powerful sunroof, a red seat belt, and additional lumbar support and adjustment capabilities for front seat occupants. 2022 Dodge Charge Hellcat SRT Redeye managed to offer only limited, but the interior quality of the Dodge Charger Redeye 2022 is not much better than what you will find on a rented V6 Charger. Dodge Charger Redeye Engine. The advantages of the 2022 Dodge Charger Redeye are on the 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine. This propulsion engine is called Hellcat, with the ability to produce power up to 707 horsepower and produce torque of 650 lb-ft. The Dodge Charger Daytona Edition model gets a small increase in power of up to 717 horsepower. 2022 Dodge Charger Redeye is driven by an 8-speed automatic transmission handling the shifting task. With no manual transmission, you won't miss it when you're busy fighting over 700 horsepower. In the street mode configuration, the transmission acts like a lot of automation, shifting smoothly to the highest gear to save fuel. 2022 The Dodge Charger Redeye even enters Eco mode on the Hemi Hellcat engine, thus limiting its output to only 500 horsepower. If you choose a relaxed model engine configuration, the new Dodge Charger 2022 takes a moment to think before releasing its supercharged anger, but once the transmission finds the right gear, it is still not ready to race. Whereas the configuration mode Sport mode helps wake up the transmission temporarily, or commonly called track mode, which is able to drive spontaneously. With the ability of the engine to produce power up to 707 or 717 horsepower and be driven by transmission in track mode, shifts feel less like soft transitions and more hard. Bury the throttle with the configuration mode turned on, you will fight the wheel spin while the shadow of the supercharger attacks your eardrum. Dodge Charger Redeye Infotainment. On the infotainment system side, there is a Yukon Next feature found on the Dodge Charger Redeye 2022, which is an industry favorite and one of the best in its class. This feature is very fast to respond to user input, and its layout is simple and easy to configure. Equipped with a 8.4-inch touchscreen, the projecting color in bright clarity and looks good from the driver's seat and front passenger. Not only that, the infotainment package on the new Dodge Charger 2022 includes SiriusXM satellite, HD Radio, Sirius XM Guardian Service, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration and Bluetooth streaming, CD/DVD/MP3 compatibility and auxiliary and USB inputs. There is an optional Uconnect 4C NAV system which tends to take strange and confusing routes and prefers to continue using the Android or Apple NAV system. For convenience, the available sound system is channeled through the Alpine 6-speaker sound system with a 276-watt amplifier. You can listen to clear sound and listen to the ear with the best ZZ Top songs. Unfortunately, Harman Kardon's 19-speaker sound system will lose the battle with a very powerful V8 engine roar and a whining supercharger.